Hi guys, I'm a nanny, so I'm technically at work, but the baby's sleeping, so it gives me some time to get things done. Try and show you guys a list. It's on my phone. I need to go grocery shopping after I get off work. I need to edit a video, do some laundry, some cleaning. It is 9:12 a.m. and I'm gonna just take you with me today. Yeah, so I will see you guys in a little bit. All right guys, so I'm home and I'm either gonna do 30 minutes or 45 minutes, and I'm gonna set a timer and just see how much I can get done, not including laundry, because obviously laundry takes longer than that. And I'm probably gonna put this part at the beginning of the video because the majority of people would probably just rather see the cleaning, and then I'll leave the other extra stuff at the end. I feel like I have so much to do. I gotta put these dishes in the dishwasher and I gotta unload the dishwasher.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah. I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah. I can finally start over, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Oh, bye-bye, bye-bye.
So I got this new sheet set. I showed you guys in my spring decor haul. So I want to wash it before I use it. It comes with 2 pillowcases, a fitted sheet, and a flat sheet. I don't really want the flat sheet. I kind of don't even want to wash it. I'm also going to wash these too because I have extra room. Alright. What the? I guess we'll do it like this. We'll just eyeball it. Woo! That might be too much, but... Alright, so I finished the kitchen, I finished the living room, swept and vacuumed. I still have my sheets in the dryer.
That's how you spell goodbye. U-G-L-I. You'll never see me cry. U-G-L-I. That's how you spell it. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
All right, guys, so it is now like 1:30 something. The baby's awake. I just placed an order for grocery pickup at Meijer when I get off. I want to try that out because I'm really just sick of spending time at the store, and I feel like I buy stuff extra that I don't need when I go in the store. So I'm gonna just try this out and see how it goes. So I have a few more hours here, and then I'm gonna go pick up my grocery order, go home, get some cleaning done. I will check in with you guys later. So I'm gonna probably eat something really quick, and then I'll quickly show you guys what I got from the grocery store though. All right, so this is everything I got for Meijer pickup. You just pull up, they bring it out to you and load it up, and you're good to go. I would highly recommend you guys doing it. It costs $5 extra. I also got a 24 pack of Sprite because it's on sale this week, and I'm obsessed with Sprite, so. I'm probably gonna just eat something really quick, and then I'm gonna do a quick cleanup. I'm actually gonna start the laundry first so I can get that started because it takes the longest. I don't know why I just opened it like that. All right, I bought this cookie dough like forever ago, but it expired on, oh God, never mind. That's embarrassing. I'm gonna get rid of that.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And
Whew. Oh my goodness, I've been working my butt off for like 4 hours. It's not past 9 o'clock. I didn't expect to be doing this much work. I did way more than I had planned on doing. But I don't know, you know, when you get in the mood to do stuff, you just gotta go. I got stuff hung up, as you can see, and I showed you earlier, around my room. I got 2 loads of laundry done so far, and I have 2 more to go, maybe 3. I got some organizing, cleaning, I got my groceries. So I'm super happy, super productive day. So after I get these laundry loads done, I'm gonna sit, relax, edit this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.